Here we have the hairy woodpecker with a little bit of red cap on his head. That red cap represents the root chakra. You're now activating your money chakra with the red and the black when it comes to the base chakra, which is the same as the root and root chakra. Base and root chakra is the same, but you have the hairy woodpecker activating your money chakra. You had a titmouse to come in, but here is you're activating your third eye chakra with the western bluebird. Right now, your third eye chakra is activated and your money chakra is activated. I hope you guys are focused and open to the money that you're about to receive as the hairy woodpecker sticks around and activates your money chakra, your root chakra. Keep your eye on that third eye when it comes to your pineal gland opening, as the western bluebird has given us a message. There's more birds around, I'm sure. Here's the titmouse activating the heart chakra with its gray colors, also representing wisdom. As you can see, the hairy woodpecker has not left you. Your money chakra is activated along with the heart chakra. For tapping into this video, letting you know you have a heart. So hit that like button, share, and subscribe with your family and friends. I know you all love money as we keep our eyes focused on the hairy woodpecker who is activating your money chakra. It don't get no better than this, you guys. Allow the money to stick around. Save your money, because it can go just like that. But if you have a heart, you'll get titmouse to fly in every now and then. The titmouse activating the heart chakra. You're on a frequency of love, wisdom, and fertility. Here you had a nuthatch also activating the heart chakra with a little bit of the base chakra as well. Very interesting. As we invite the titmouse back with the heart chakra. Yes, and as the birds feed, it also makes me hungry. I know it's making you hungry, watching others eat. But you are now tapping into your money chakra again, as the hairy woodpecker has made its way back into my vortex. And my vortex is yours as you continue to watch the hairy woodpecker. The heart chakra is activated once again with the titmouse. The money chakra is activated with the northern flicker, one of the most beautiful bird I've ever seen. Very, very nice looking. Has the red cap to represent the root chakra. His feathers are black and white, representing the base chakra. Tapping into the money, man. It's activated. I'm sure he or she knows I'm speaking of it, as you can tell by his gestures. It feeds here lately for the last, I believe, 3 to 4 months. I've been seeing the northern flicker. And speaking of it, what a bird. I haven't even noticed of a northern woodpecker until I started feeding here. I would like to leave you guys with the titmouse, with the heart chakra, full of wisdom. Um, so accept this invitation. Come back as soon as possible. This is Lil LA Stay Live. I know you guys are enjoying the birds. So tap in, hit the like button, share and subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know which bird is your favorite bird. Have a great day.